The upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max seems to be getting some major upgrades that could make it the best iPhone yet. These changes include design, performance, cameras, and battery improvements. There might also be a special feature only for the Pro Max version. As we approach the expected Apple event on September 12th or 13th, leaks and rumors about the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the 15 Ultra are quite solid now. There's a lot to be excited about for this potential top-notch iPhone. And I'm not talking about the USB-C, which is coming to all new iPhones, as we all know. Before the new iPhone 15 is released, here are some reasons to consider buying the iPhone 15 Pro Max based on what we know so far. The iPhone 15 Pro Max might have an impressive periscope telephoto lens which could improve zoom capabilities from 3x optical on the iPhone 14 Pro Max to 6x. This feature might be exclusive to the Pro Max version only. While the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has impressive zoom specs, the iPhone 15 Pro Max could have better image quality. However, we are not sure about its digital zoom range yet. The A17 Bionic chipset in the iPhone 15 Pro Max could outperform Android phones. Being the world's first 3nm processor, this chip should provide a significant performance boost. Leaked benchmarks suggest better performance as compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The iPhone 15 might mark the end of a familiar ringer or the mute switch. Instead, there could be a new solid-state action button. This button could perform various actions like activating the camera, flashlight, focus, and more. It might also be integrated with Apple shortcut apps for customizable actions. Both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the 15 Pro are expected to feature a new titanium frame or a titanium design. Titanium is stronger and lighter than aluminum, potentially making the phones more durable and being able to withstand drops. The iPhone 15 Pro Max could have a larger battery that is about 4852 mAh as compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max which had 4323 mAh. Apple's stacked battery technology might allow for more capacity without making the battery physically larger. These details are based on the leaks and rumors, so it's best to wait for the official announcements. The new iPhones could be quite impressive and we'll keep you updated with more information as it comes. So make sure to subscribe the channel and bye.